So this is your bank ledger, downloaded from any accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. This is your bank statement for the month, downloaded from the banking website. Once you copy all your transactions in this format under bank ledger and in the bank statement from the bank statement, you can just go to view, click on macros, view macros, and just run the bank reconciliation. And boom, your reconciliation is completed. You can see there was one unmatched line. You can go to the summary tab. It will show you that 3 transactions got matched, one was unmatched, and there's a 75% match rate. If you want to see the reconciliation, it will show you which entries were matched, which were not matched. So even this will give you, like, for example, the bank statement has got one line, but on the same date with the same description, that there were 2 different lines in the bank ledger. So because in QuickBooks or any other accounting software, we generally split the transactions. So it actually does that.